how do you add your favorite apps on the Apple Watch? So let me show you all the important information you need to know about it. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So not every single iPhone app also has the Apple Watch alternative available, right? So whenever you are browsing apps on the App Store on the iPhone, you'll see that if it supports like the iPhone, iPad, the watch, you can see you will be able to see if it works on the different platforms as well. And if it has an app on the Apple Watch and you install it on the iPhone, most likely it will also appear on the watch. And if not, check out the watch app and install it manually because it will appear at the bottom of the list, right? So if you have some apps which you want to add to the watch, that is how you can do this. However, if you mean like specifically like deciding which app is your favorite on the watch, there isn't like any official way of doing that. The only way I can think of is to rearrange your apps on the Apple Watch. When you go to the watch app on the iPhone, app view and arrangement, you can reorganize your apps so that your favorites are not like hidden toward the bottom, but you can kind of like bring them up and have them quickly and easily accessible whenever you need, right? So if you have a favorite app which you always go to, it makes sense to put it closer to the top so you can quickly access it anytime you need to. You might as well also check out if you can add it to the watch face, which is like the main screen where you look at the clock. There might be some apps around at the time as well. So try to edit that face to see if you can add that application there as well. A lot of times it will be possible. So these are all the things which crossed my mind. Let me know if there is something which I didn't mention regarding this topic. Perhaps I'll make an updated video about it later. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you later.